Hello my friends and welcome. It is the time we all been waiting for, guys. I told you when I reach the minimum withdraw on Chinners the game, I'm gonna show you guys the withdraw proof live. I've been playing this game for almost 3 months now, and today I reached the minimum. So I'm gonna show you guys the process of withdraw and see guys if this is truly 100% legit game. So let's go to the game. So this is a browser game, guys. If this is working, I'm gonna explain to you quickly the game, how it works, and also leave you in the description past videos about this game to learn the mechanics and how you can earn from it. But this is a 100% free to play and play to earn crypto. So what you withdraw in this game, guys, you withdraw Polygon. The minimum is 10 Polygon, as you can see. I have it in here. So in order to withdraw, what you do, guys, you go to this place and click on this button. So in here, guys, you can see your wallet and the earnings. You can earn in BNB, but it's not withdrawable, as you can see. Now it's withdrawable. This is crazy, guys. So this is the first time seeing this, guys. So now it seems like you can withdraw also BNB. Maybe this is later, guys. Next time I'm gonna withdraw BNB. So let's go to Polygon. As you can see, guys, the minimum withdrawal on Polygon is 10 Polygon. So from China to Polygon seems like direct wallet. Withdrawal time can vary due to factors like network and stuff. As you can see, transaction fee, Polygon network fee. They don't take fees, so it's just the chain, like the Polygon fees. So in here you put just the amount. Just put 10, guys, in case they want some fees. And here you put the wallet. So I'm gonna take my address from Trust Wallet, guys. But it seems like this is direct wallet. You can use any wallet you want, guys. Just make sure, guys, it's Polygon. So where is it? This is Polygon. As you can see, receive. Polygon also uses smart chain, as you can see, Binance Smart Chain, CHD. So this is it, as you can see, receive Polygon. So I'm gonna put it in here. Same address, as you can see. So just confirm, as you can see, I provide the address correspond to the select currency and its Polygon network. So let's make the withdraw, guys. This is the first withdraw in the game. Let's hope this is gonna work, and we're gonna proceed playing this game. So let's go and withdraw. They will double check with you currency, network, address, amount, fees. Next. Check your email. So I'm gonna check my email. So they send me like code to my email. I'm gonna put it in here. And done. That's it, guys. Your withdrawal request has been submitted for processing. Please wait. Okay, let's wait. Let's go in here. You can see it's pending, and this is the time. So usually, guys, this is just we'll review this and proceed it. This is crazy, guys. You can see the time when I made the withdrawal, my current time. 9:59 in the morning, December 24, 2025. So I'm gonna wait for this, guys. Once I receive it, I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, my friends, so I come back to you after 1 week almost, guys. As you can see, this is December 31, Wednesday 2025. I received the withdrawal, guys, yesterday. You can see, guys, in here I can refresh. You can see it is still pending, guys, but I already received it. I'm gonna show you proof. So you can see this is the withdrawal when I made it, and after 1 week, guys. So when I search, I found like people usually receiving the withdrawal within 1 week, so it's normal. So you can see it's pending. This is just an error, guys. Need refreshing. So now I'm gonna show you guys like proof. This is like I received this. So let's go to my Trust Wallet, guys, the old one. So I open it in this emulator, guys. I don't care about this wallet anymore, guys. Just to show you the proof. So you can see, guys, in here I received this. So let's go to history. No one knows, guys, I made the withdrawal, guys. So it's obvious they are the ones who send it. But I'm gonna show you proof that is from them. So you can see this is the withdrawal. It's almost 10, guys. So when you click in here, you can see all the details. And also let's go in here in Polyscan to see this transaction and everything. The time when I receive it, as you can see, exact time. So it's almost 6 days or so. You can see, guys, from here. This is who sent this money, and this is my address, the old one, CHD. You can see like 0xEA. It ends with 6D1. So I'm gonna show you guys this address is the one that's sent it to everyone. So in here, guys, they add this, as you can see, Explorer. So you can see, guys, in here, if you click, you can see this is the address. This is just an error, guys. You can see like this is swaps, but it's like this is the sender. I think they need to fix this. But you can see this is the address who send my text to everyone. The same one, as you can see. 0xEA01 In the end, b6 d1. It's the same one, guys, as you can see. The same one, guys. You can see it in here. So I'm gonna just put this in here, guys, to make it easier for you guys. As you can see, guys, you can look at it. It's the same one, guys. This is the sender. So it's from them, guys. It's legit. So this game, guys, can send you money for free. As a proof, this is the first withdraw, guys. This is insane. So now you know this game is working for free. Now I'm gonna show you guys how this works, how you can earn from this game also. So let's remove this. So this game, guys, is a browser game. You can play it also from your phone. Just you need to enter from the browser. So when you play this game, guys, at start, you go to this place. As you can see, this is like the home page. When you enter, you can find it like this. They will tell you guys link it with your immutable to get more rewards. But you can play on Withdraw, guys, without that. So it's up to you guys. So this is the home page. You can find everything in here. How to change the market. Also in here you can find the farm and many other stuff. You can find all this stuff, guys, in here also. So this is the city map. In here you can find shop. You can also buy with their token. This is their token. When you play the game, you can earn it, called CFP. It's not necessary to pay anything, guys. You can just for free. You can find sometimes, you can see, you can pay just this CFP and get stuff. So in here, guys, you can find the mini games. So this is the just add it. And this one also, this is just for event. I think it's gonna finish also. But this one is always in here. You can earn also rewards from here. But this is all what matters is this one, guys. In here you can all this stuff, as you can see. Their token, BNB, and also Polygon. Now they add in like withdraw in BNB. So what you can find in this farm, guys, when you enter the first time, they will give you land and you can farm crops. And these crops can give you like points in the pool. These points, guys, it could be like the CFB or Polygon or BNB. Easy and simple, guys. And all this stuff you can see in here, guys, it can help you to grow faster and to become like a better farmer. So I'm gonna show you first the farm, and I'm gonna show you also how you can progress as a farmer. So you can come in here, guys, and play for free. At start, guys, you can have like a land or something you can start with, and you keep going, guys. So you can see this is the lands. You can also have animals, can produce milk and eggs and stuff. And you can see just when you collect it like this. Also this lands has like different rarities. This one, for example, can give 4 at the same time. This one can give you 1, and so on, guys. You can see all this stuff, guys. You can like, it's like NFTs. You can, for example, merge these two and give you better rarity. And you can just put your crops like this, as you can see. This is a rare one. So it has higher also. Even in the same crop, for example, if this is one like common, it can give you, for example, points, like 1 point. If it's rare, it can give you 2 points, and so on. So where you can find these points, guys? You can farm and collect, and you can go in here, guys, and you can see these crops you farmed. So every crop have some points in here. So this is called bio points. This BP is all what matters, guys. So so the more you go in this game, you can get like better crops and farm more, faster, and so on. And when you come in here, guys, you can see the pools. You can put these crops in these pools and get a portion. So every 4 hours they divide in a portion, as you can see. If for example, this 4 hours they divide 1,100 CFP. In Polygon 100, because I am level 2, guys. At start it's gonna be less, but when you go higher, it's gonna be bigger. And in here, guys, in BNB they divide in this amount. So depends on how much you put in the pool, you can get. For example, in here, if I put everything, for example, let's just do like this, they will tell me the potential if this is stay like this. But if more people put like this, it can go lower. But this is like the potential earnings. After this is finished, it's gonna give me, guys, Polygon, and it's gonna add up in my balance. And also the same in here, guys, as you can see. They will tell you how much in CFP also. Easy and simple, guys. So if you want to put something, for example, just do like this, as you can see. You can select what you want, place the number you want, place all, and you can see, guys, you can just sell like this, continue close if you like, or wait for this. It's gonna proceed in the blockchain, and that's it, guys. It's gonna be here, and they will tell you guys how much you can earn after this finish. So also when you put this, you can like grow in here, and this is can also go to the higher level and get more. As you can see, 160 Polygon in level 3 instead of 100. Easy and simple, guys. But now how you can get like better crops and better stuff, guys, for you to become like better and better. You can just do for most of them, like, you can find them in here, guys, in missions. You can see these missions, some of them of going in events, some of them daily, as you can see. So for example, this one, you just do like use fertilizer 3 times, you can claim this. This is also fertilizer, and keep going. When you complete, for example, 5, you can get like a potential to get 1 seed or 5 fertilizers. And this seeds, like, you can farm better crops and get more bio points, guys. Also in the weekly you can find. So it's easy to get these crops, guys. You just need to do these missions. This is where you can get them. After that, you can just put them in here. Or when you have more, for example, if you have 4 or something, you can just merge them, as you can see in here. If I come to this place, for example, this one, you can merge like 2 and give you like better rarity to create like uncommon. 2 common can give you one uncommon. 2 uncommon can give you 1 rare, and so on. As you can see, you can just merge them for free and claim. That's it, guys. You can get better one, but this one is just temporary, guys, unlike these two. You can see like some icon in here. This is just use it once, disposable. And also the lens, you can merge this lens, but this lens can cost you guys like CFP and fertilizer. I'm trying to make this one, guys. I'm gonna do like a video in the future. When I make this, I'm gonna make this metal plot, guys. This is insane. Usually it's gonna give 8 crops at the same time, guys. This is insane. So you can see, guys, you can explore this stuff by yourself. Also, you can do these mini games. You can see in here. These mini games also can help you. This one, like, it can give you like a fertilizer. Also, it can give you rewards, guys, to become better. So just show you guys this event is still running, called Roll and Snow. And all these videos, guys, I'm gonna keep them in the description if you want to watch them like in details. But I'm trying to do like a full guide, guys, for this game. So you can select the potential where you can reach, and you can get these rewards, as you can see, fertilizer, plants, and like some food for to the cattle. As this do like this, without sound. It's okay. And it's gonna keep rolling. This is just an event, guys. These events can come and go, guys. So if I pass this, I'm gonna earn all these rewards in here. Easy and simple, guys. So I didn't reach in here, guys, so I lost. This is just for free, guys. Next day I can try again. After this is reset, I can try again, guys. I like earn a lot from here, guys. You can earn CFP also, and more also in here. This is, you can do it also. This Chinner's Dream, but it can take some time, guys. Like I don't want to waste your time, so I'm gonna leave you also video how you can complete this every time, and you can see the potential rewards you can earn. This is every day you can do it, guys, and earn potential. Like this is random, can give you one of these rewards. Easy and simple, guys. So this game also you can share it with your friends. I'm gonna leave you also my link if you want to join. So you can find your link in here and also share it with your friends, and you can get rewards also. So thank you, guys, for joining. Some of you guys joined this game. I have like I don't know how much friends I have in here. 65, as you can see. So this is great, guys. Now you know that this legit and working. You can try this game if you like, guys. And one more thing, guys, don't forget this daily login every day. Just in here, guys, you can find this when you go to home, the home page, and in here, guys. So this is necessary also to do it every day. As you can see, it can give you a lot of earnings in this, and this is reset every month, guys. As you can see, this is all free rewards every day. You can get plots, a lot of things. So this is clean. As you can see, my friends, everything for free. So this is all about this game, guys. I hope you like it. More updates in the future, guys, if I found something interesting. But if you want more games similar, you can always subscribe to my channel. Activate the bell to stay updated. You can find all my socials in here. This is my Telegram for fast updates, and this is my X for contact. In here you can find more crypto games, crypto miners, crypto news, all for free. This is all about this video. I hope you like it. Thank you, my friends, for all your support, and see you all in the next video.